Today, we'll walk through the installation process of the Epson Perfection V39II scanner. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reinstalling it on a new computer, this guide will help you get started quickly and smoothly. The Epson Perfection V39II is a compact, USB-powered flatbed scanner designed for high-quality photo and document scanning. Necessary driver and software link provided in the description box, or you can follow the process described below. Step 1. Open a browser. On your PC or laptop, open any web browser. Step 2. Go to Epson support website or search for Epson V39II driver. Step 3. Click on Epson Perfection V39II support. This will open the official product support page. Step 4. Access the product page and go to Downloads. Step 5. Select your operating system, e.g., Windows 11. Step 6. Click on Drivers. Download the recommended Epson Scan 2 and Epson ScanSmart software. Step 6. Install the software. Once downloaded, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete installation. Restart your computer if prompted. Step 7. Connect the scanner. Plug the USB cable of the Epson Perfection V39II into your PC/laptop. The scanner will power on automatically, USB powered, no adapter needed. You can check in Device Manager. Successfully installed scanner will show the model name under Imaging Devices. From Start menu, open Epson Smart. You will see your scanner model and connection type here at the first time. Select your scanner and press OK. Now you are in the home page of Epson ScanSmart. Select Scan button to start scanning. It will automatically scan your document in color or black and white mode according to the document inside scanner. After completing first scan, select plus Scan button to add more pages in your scan. You can see preview of your can file here. Just select the image you need to see. Scanned image could be edited before saving, like rotating or cropping. Scan all your documents one by one using plus Scan button. After finishing required scan to save files, select Next on the bottom right corner of the software. Select Save. Here choose file type PDF or JPEG as your requirement. Also, you can set your file name here. After clicking Save, the document will be saved in your computer and will open in a file explorer. You can open or check your file. Scan next document as per your requirement. While saving, you can change the file extension to save file as PDF or picture. To configure Epson ScanSmart, select Settings from the top right corner of Software. You can set homepage appearance as auto mode or document mode or photo mode. In document mode, you can also change some setting. But the best is to keep scan in auto mode. You can browse every option to configure as your requirement. In Customize Action tab, select the options you need to choose while saving scan files. If any options are unchecked, it will not appear while save option. In File Name Settings tab, you can choose default file saving name. If you wish not to open File Explorer after each scan, go to Settings in Epson ScanSmart. In Save Settings tab, uncheck the option saying Open Folder after saving and choose Close. Then after scanning, Output folder will not pop up in a window. You can also scan using Epson Scan 2. From here you will have to scan in document mode or photo mode. PDF scan will save each page in individual PDF files. To scan multiple pages in a single PDF, we'll have to use Epson ScanSmart. Higher resolution scan can be performed in photo mode of Epson Scan 2. Click on Preview tab to check preview of document before scanning. Also, you can set scan area in preview window. The Epson Scan 2 generally requires a little bit more time than Epson ScanSmart. In Epson Scan 2, first it previews the document inside scanner and then scan the document. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Feel free to comment any advice or question.